Hey guys, Running Kimono here. Earlier in the week, I saw a news story by the Today Show about Dollar Tree increasing their prices from $1.25 to $1.50. And I did my research. I read on many news sites this story because I didn't frankly believe it. Now, the timeline of when this price increase is going to happen and all those details, it's not published as of yet. But because it's already starting to get out in the news, I think it's going to be sooner than later. Thankfully, they didn't do it right before Easter because there's a lot of parents that are getting all of their Easter supplies for baskets at the Dollar Tree. So, the Today Show, I recommend you go to their social media or their news site and watch this story. Family Dollar is the parent company of Dollar Tree. I'm sure a lot of you have seen, especially if you live in a smaller town, a Dollar Tree Family Dollar, store. Basically, they announced earlier in the month that they were closing 1,000 Family Dollar stores, and now they are going to be putting $7 items in their Dollar Tree and increasing items up to $1.50. That is just, I think it's really, like, just as a shopper, as a person that does these couponing videos and has an idea about how people, are looking for deals and so on and so forth, I think this is really going to affect their bottom line. I did post this on my Instagram, and a lot of people were saying, like, what's the point of even shopping at the Dollar Tree if it's $1.50? Because it's just, for what you're getting and what you're paying, unless it's something you desperately want, it just doesn't make any sense. And I fully agree with the subscribers who are just very upset by this. I really recommend that you go on the Today Show or any news site that has covered this in detail and read up on it. It's just really surprising that this is the avenue that they're going to go. When they went to $1.25, I always had a hope and glimmer that they would drop down to $1 one day, but I don't think that's the case. And I think this is a huge mistake on their part, and they are going to lose a lot of business. I really think that the final dollar store in the United States is going to be the Dollar General. They still have an entire aisle dedicated to items at the cost of $1. Unlike stores like Walgreens and the Dollar Tree, they didn't sneak the prices up to $1.25 or $1.50. Everything in this aisle is still $1, and most Dollar Generals have this massive aisle of everything from cleaners to beauty products to pet food to actual food for $1. And they've kept it at those prices, and I think that this is going to be the last dollar store. And I think this is probably where a lot of people are going to go to shop to get their dollar fix, to get, trash bags for $1 or Q-tips or deodorant or whatever you might need for $1. And this, for the average shopper, that it's like, I have $20. I need some, like, odds and ends. I have an errand list of items to grab. Um, Close to payday. I don't really have a ton of funds. I'm going to go to the Dollar Tree or the $1.50 tree. You're going to be like, absolutely not. I'd rather go to the Dollar General, and my $10 or $20 will go so much further. Heck, go on Saturday with the 5 off 25. You can get a lot more for that $20. But I think this is just a way that a lot of us are going to change the way that we think. And I'm recording this video on Saturday, March the 30th of 2024. Dollar General has not changed their dollar aisle of all their dollar spot items. And I think that this is a move that, if they stand as the last store to have this dollar aisle, it's going to attract a whole lot more traffic, and it's going to take Dollar Tree's customers to them. And I think that changing the pricing around, the way that the economy is, the soaring price of food and gas, Family Dollar and Dollar Tree, like, I don't know what they're thinking other than they're going to lose a lot of customers. And this high-end stuff that they're going to be selling, or that's why they're doing this, I don't fully understand that either. Um, I think this is a reason why a lot of us are going to be shopping at the Dollar General a lot more. And even myself for those dollar spot items, like if I need an eraser for a sneaker or something for a project or some gift wrap or bows, yeah, I'm going to be going to shop at the Dollar General. I'm not going to go to Dollar Tree anymore. In the comments down below, let me know what your thoughts are, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.